Hi, I welcome you all to my new video. I hope you are doing good. And in this video, I am going to show you how you can design this banner. So simply you have to visit your the Canva website. The Canva provides with the good and easy to use tools. So I mostly use this Canva for my such kind of like visual stuff. If I need logos, if I need flyers or banners. So you have to simply choose this banner maker from this design spotlight menu, and now click this start designing your banner button. Okay, here you will see that it will give you a lot of templates as an option. You have to choose among one of the template, so you can choose whatever eye-catching template from this menu. So for example, let's just go for this one. So here you can edit these texts according to your requirement. So for example, here you can write your channel name, and for this text you can explain a little about your channel category. And you can play with these, simply place it according to your desires. And again, this image, if you want to, like, you can see wherever you want to place it. So it's quite easy to use. Yeah, let's try some other template. Let's say mm, sorry, replace the current page. Okay, for example, you are having a cooking channel. You can say, you can see here your quite pretty banner is ready to use. Okay, and now you can simply download the file and make using it. So this is it for this video. In my next video, I will show you how you can add these like social media icons and buttons. These are working buttons. If for example I will click on the Facebook, it will go towards my Facebook profile or my Insta profile. You can see here it is. So I'll show you how you can add these buttons. So stay tuned, and if you like the video, subscribe my channel and like my all the videos. Till the next video, take care and bye bye.